Hi, my name is Shweta, and I'm a marketing analyst here at Pluto7, where we help organizations across the globe optimize their business processes through the power of ML and AI. So if you'd like to find out more about how Pluto7's Supplier ML solution is helping Ulta supercharge their supplier relations by leading to optimized delivery routes and reduced operational costs, then just keep on watching. Delivering value to the organization is a main objective for a successful relationship with a supplier. The selection process can be a challenge as each and every supplier has their own time frame and variables to take into account, which is overwhelming for supply chain leaders to make these decisions on their own, as there's always room for human error and draining of time. Ulta, one of the largest beauty retailers in the US, wanted to streamline their supply chain processes by gaining better relationship with their suppliers. With a store chock full of variety like Ulta, it's important to establish a standard process for supplier sourcing, as well as an automated system to track performance. Ulta needed exactly that, so they looked to Pluto7 and the Google Cloud Platform to implement machine learning and AI systems like BigQuery and Cloud Functions to yield a centralized data platform. The results were a success, and Ulta was able to rank and rate their suppliers based on historical performance while gaining optimized delivery routes and increased supplier incentives using the relevant KPIs. Take a look at this demo dashboard, which leverages AI and ML automation to create a hub for all things related to your supplier relations. This gives you an accurate and timely update on the status of your business so that you're always one step ahead of the game. Utilize these key metrics and see how your business can soar. Get your cart ready at the Google Cloud Platform, where Pluto7 makes it easy for customers to understand supplier ML and how it can be implemented in their business processes. We give you an overview, a pricing breakdown, as well as tutorials to get you started. So check it out for yourself. While you're at it, jump over to Pluto7.com and our Supplier ML page for further info on our use cases and links to customer stories that have benefited from this solution. Now, there are countless parts in the supply chain process, and supplier relations are a crucial aspect that many organizations cannot afford to glaze over, as it has direct impact on their ability to serve their customers with confidence. With Pluto7 and GCP, Supplier ML empowers supply chain leaders with centralized data sources that can reduce operational losses while building long-lasting relationships with their suppliers for increased growth and profitability to win an edge over their competitors. Now, this was all just a sneak peek, so if you like what you see, head over to Pluto7.com and our Contact Us page and request a free 2-hour complimentary workshop to kickstart your journey in ML and AI. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!